After 19 years of building Eleutheros, it is launch day.
Well, I knew that I had double or triple checked everything, but there are always questions that are in the back of one's mind on launch day. Is the boat going to leak? You'll notice that I poke my head in the hatch to check if the water is getting in the boat. Also, how will the boat float? Will the boat have a list to one side, or will it be bow or stern heavy? Since the boat is engineless, I needed someone to help me move the boat across the harbor to my place on the wharf. Greg, a local fisherman, volunteered to help with moving the boat across with his boat, and even though it was fairly windy, it went off without a hitch. At this point, we began the process of moving all of our possessions aboard the boat. At first, the boat seemed to be an empty and limitless cavern, but after 4 or 5 loads with our small truck, it became much more difficult to find space for everything. Just getting moved aboard and getting somewhat organized took a week and a half. Once we were moved aboard, I began moving the masts down to the wharf. There was still a fair bit of work to be done to the masts. Much of the hardware needed to be installed yet, as well as all the standing rigging and halyards.
We moved on to the boat at the end of August and lived on it for 2 months while getting the boat ready to sail. Working on projects while living aboard was both challenging and fun. We had to stay as organized as possible.
The day arrived for putting the spars in the boat. Once the boom truck arrived, we began setting the masts in their place and secured them with some temporary shrouds and stays. It was great to have a boom truck operator experienced with sailboat masts. And thanks to Sean, I had the extra help that is sometimes required when dealing with boats. Now I needed to complete the standing rigging for the masts. Eleutheros has Dyneema standing rigging, and now the lower ends needed to be spliced to the right length, with an eye to take the lashing deadeyes. Once the deadeyes were in place, all of the shrouds and stays were tensioned with Dyneema lashings. I had been looking forward to bending on our new mizzen sail to see how well it fit. The rest of the sails are used sails from a Cape Dory 28. These used sails are a bit small for our boat, but will do the job until we can buy some new ones. The tender was also completed at this time, and I took her out for her first row.
We had a beautiful, calm, sunny morning for our very first sail. We were very excited and nervous. We were unsure how the helm would respond. We found as long as she was moving, she was responsive to the helm. We had a nice calm downwind sail from Beach Point PEI to Surrey. And that sail took about 5 hours. So we enjoyed it so much, the time just flew by. How many knots right now?
5 at the moment.
Eleutheros was hauled out in Surrey and stored there for the winter, with plans to return in May of 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join us on our next adventure. Take care.